this out for a drive today. This thing is amazing. It just has like so much get up and go as soon as you just hit the gas. Right now I'm in 5th gear, and it's feeling really good. This 2ZZ is really awesome. I definitely need to get one of these for the MR2 Spyder. Alright, so right now I'm 4th gear on the freeway. Gonna take this sucker into lift. Oh my god, yeah. So once it goes into lift, you can just feel a total difference in the thing. Just the horsepower just kicks in. I liked how it goes in lift about 6.2, and it redlines all the way at 7.9. So you have a pretty good amount of lift that you can be in before redlining it. The 2ZZ, definitely a great engine. Just having a look at the 2ZZ engine. Pretty awesome. I took the GTS out today to get something special. So I was rim shopping online. Again, you know, rim shop. I'm always rim shopping. And look at what I found. So these are ADR rims, 17x7s, and 4x100 bolt pattern. Or, oh, I guess they're universal, but they fit the Spyder, and man, do they look clean. Well, they're not clean, they're a little dirty, could use some polishing, but yeah, no dents or scratches, no curb rash. So these are gonna go on the Spyder, and it's gonna be great. So also the Spyder rims, but the GTS is doing fantastic. Went through the whole process of processing the an auction car. So what you gotta do is just basically wait for Copart to give you the paperwork that you need. So you basically just take it to your DMV, give them the paperwork from Copart. You've already paid the tax on it, so you don't need to worry about it. They will ask you to go get the car smogged. Right, when the car gets smogged, it's gonna check for headlights, tail lights, make sure they're all working, all the side markers are working, and that's about it. And then after they check the lights, you take it back to the DMV, and they'll do a visual inspection. And then once you pass the visual inspection, you're good to go. The visual inspection includes checking the VIN numbers to make sure everything matches. That's what the guy said. I have a visual inspection scheduled for Monday, which is in 2 days, and then it should be ready to be sold or kept, or whatever you want to do with your auction vehicle. They should give you tags, and then your registration is complete. The cost of doing this in California is $176. The smog check done. And the DMV requires that you do a brake and light, so I'm here at this local smog shop, and the brake and light and smog check, he's estimating that it's going to be $142. People have a hard time dealing with the reverse next to the first gear on the GTS. Alright, so today I picked up these wheels for $100, and I love the way it has only 5 spokes and not a whole bunch of spokes like this one back here. And on top of that, this one is kind of dull because I didn't like the gray color, so I had to plastic it them black. And you saw in my one of my previous videos. But yeah, so getting new shoes today for the MR2. I love the 5-spoke design because it actually, you know, shows more of the brake caliper, and it just looks cleaner when it's only 5-spoke. It's one of my favorite things. And eventually I think I'm gonna paint these some other color, maybe gold or something like that. But right now the black interior with the silver trim and the little silver bolts, they look really good, and these come with the center caps already. So putting these new ones on. So I'm transferring the Yokohama tires from this one over to these ones, and the shop will do it for 70 bucks. So great deal. This is pretty cool. I never had all the wheels off at once before. So let's go look at the brakes. These are painted, and the pad's still pretty good. I should get drill slotted rotors at some point. But now you can really see the brakes when you put on these 5-spoke rims. The clean wrap job, wrapped all the way around. It's pretty good. All right, well, what do you guys think? These are the new rims. I know they look the same, but well, the color scheme's the same, but it's only 5 spokes instead of that multi-spoke web. I think they look a lot better. It really shows the red caliper brakes. Look at that, the brakes and the inside match. That's what I like. Yeah, so these were pretty cheap. Found them the same old cheap way, and then just had the tires, my Yokohama tires, swapped on. And then I'm selling the old pair that were on there. They're both 17s by 7s, so can't get very much for them. But for this type of car, 17 by 7s is plenty wide. If you're going like 17 by 8, by 9, by 10, you're gonna have to wide body, but or use fender flare. But either way, I think these look a lot better. I love that silver trim, and eventually I'm gonna change the color on them since I now know how to paint rims. MR2 meetup today. This is MRS Sun. So clean. Yo, I love this red one in the sun too. Holy cow. I can put you on my YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, you can put my car. Definitely the thing in the sun, the car just like
it's like lit up, right?
It lit up. You know, it's like, you know, it's like
it looks great at night too, because all the lights are on.
Oh.
All right, so we pulled up here on the Capitol in Sacramento, and this is actually a do not enter road. Me and Son are doing a photo shoot, so.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to.
Alright guys, this will end the video for today. If you guys like my channel, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.
People say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed, but I keep my head down cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me cause it's my conquest, and I'm never gonna rest.